Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to place a stair in multiple floor and how to make an opening on multiple floors. So first of all, I'm just start with label 1, and then in label 1, I'm just using floor option, and this I'm choosing floor architecture. Rectangle 1 I'm choosing, and furnace this. Now I just want to copy this on multiple labels. Suppose I just have a 2 label only, so I'm just creating a more label. So architecture, in architecture tab, just go with elevation to start creating a label, and then I'm choosing label, pick point, or sorry, pick line, and then I'm using label distance 4 meter. Start picking this. Now we got this label 1 to label 5. Now I'm using label 1, and then if you want to copy this, so how can you copy this? So checking our 3D view. So how can you copy this? Visual style, I'm choosing realistic. Select this, and then there is an option here. You can use this option, copy to clipboard, and then you can find this paste option, assign to selected label. Label 2 to label 5. I just want to copy this. Okay. Now you got the 5 label here. Now going back to label 1. Now I just want to place a stair here. So you can choose here architecture. In architecture, you got the stair icon here. So once you click stair, so I'm using assemble stair. In assemble stair, I'm choosing run, and then you can choose U shape finder, for example, and then you can place. Suppose I just want to place on middle of this furnace. Now you can find this. We got the stair which connect label 1 to label 2. Now we need to place on multiple floors. So I'm just selecting this stair, and then same option I'm using copy to clipboard, assign to selected label, and then label 2 to label 4. Okay. In this you can find this. Now we got the stair on multiple label, but you can find this there is no floor opening in our staircase in this our floor. So how can you place a opening in this floor? So you can use shaft option. As you can find the shaft option. For this I'm using label 1. Select this shaft. I'm choosing rectangle 1. This to this, I'm just creating this and finish this. Just checking our 3D view. So you can find this. We got the flow opening only label 1 to label 2 flow, but I just want on at the top of all these flow. So once you select this, once you hovered over this, so you can find this shaft opening here, or you can use tab option if you don't see this here. Once you select this, so you got this option in property shaft opening. So top constraint must be label 5. Now we don't need any opening on base flow, so offset must be 0. So you can find this multiple opening with the help of shaft command. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. We make this video like this every day. Thanks for watching.